Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to use Lenovo Legion R24e 180Hz IPS gaming monitor. So you might be wondering if the Lenovo Legion R24e here is good and how to exactly use it. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So the Lenovo Legion R24e is a 23.8-inch Full HD gaming monitor built for players who want smooth gameplay without spending a premium on higher-end displays. Now, it features an IPS panel with a resolution of around 1920 by 1080 and a refresh rate of up to 180 Hz and a response time up to like 0.5 ms MPRT. It also supports AMD FreeSync to help reduce screen tearing during gameplay. In addition to gaming, the monitor is suitable for everyday tasks like browsing, watching videos, schoolwork, and content creation, thanks to its 99% sRGB color average and wide viewing angles. Now, one of the monitor's biggest strengths here is its gaming performance. Now, the 180 Hz refresh rate here makes motion look much smoother than a standard 60 Hz display, especially in fast-paced games like first-person shooters, racing games, and competitive esport titles. Combined with the IPS panel here, you get vibrant colors and consistent image quality even when viewing screens from different angles. Now, the monitor also includes a fully adjustable stand with height adjustments, tilt, swivel, and pivot, making it easy to find a comfortable viewing position. It also comes with HDMI 2.1, TMDS, DisplayPort 1.5, VESA mount support, TUV Rhineland Eye Comfort certification, and a 3-year limited warranty. Now, using the monitor is quite simple. You just need to connect your PC or gaming console using the included HDMI or DisplayPort cable and power it on. Now for PCs, open your display settings and set the refresh rate to around 180 Hz to get the smoothest experience. Now if your graphics card supports AMD FreeSync, you can enable it through your graphics settings for smooth gameplay. Now for monitor's built-in menu, it also lets you adjust brightness, color settings, response time, gaming presets to match your preference. Lenovo's R3 software can also be used to manage display settings directly from your computer. Now, where the Legion R24e really excels in value, it actually delivers features that gamers usually look for, such as fast refresh rates, IPS display, accurate colors, ergonomic adjustments, and FreeSync support. Now, while maintaining an affordable price range here, recent listings show it sells around maybe in the 130 to 180 depending on where you're buying it, depending on the retailer and promotion. Now, its combination of gaming performance and color quality also makes it a good or solid option for students, casual creators, and anyone who wants one monitor for both work and play. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.